Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to do a glow up makeup in watercolor. Stay tuned! The first step is adding foundation and blend it throughout the face. For the face contour, I'm using warm tone bronzer to shade the side of the face and the cheekbone areas to add more bone structure. And I will bring it all over the forehead to make the entire face to be slimmer and smaller. And then on the side of the nose and the nose bridge. Then we are adding concealer to cover the little pimples and dark circles. She got really huge dark circles, probably from lack of sleep or maybe she's simply stressed and too tired. And I'm adding my favorite blush. It makes people look alive instantly. Apply it on the apples of her chins and blend it to the top of her ears. Take another clean brush and gently blend out the edges. Then I'm adding highlight on the nose tip and slightly on the bridge to further contour the nose. And maybe a bit on her upper lips and a bit on her chin. So here comes the most challenging part for me, is the eyebrows. Fill in the brows in its natural shape first. Your goal is to keep the eyebrows straight, create a little angle there, and the tail up and outward slightly. Basically, you want your brows to start from the side of your nose to the end of the outer corner of your eyes. Then we are adding a bit of brow gels to make the brows face the same direction. And it's time for the eyeshadow. Apply a mid-tone eyeshadow all over the eyelid as a base. Take a bit of the deeper shade and color to darken the outer crease. It adds a bit of drama and lift, and it gives her eyelid a really defining look. Then I'm going to use an eyeliner to contour her upper eyelid. Then the other eye. And a slightly thinner line for the lower eyelid. Eyelashes and mascara, dark and curly lashes and outward strokes. It instantly opens up her eyes. Look at that difference. It's time for the lips. Use a lip liner and outline her lips. And add lipstick to fill it in. For the colors, you can go for pink, peach, or even rose. It really depends on the occasion and your mood. So that's the lip gloss. I'm using WaterColour to show the shimmery reflection of it. And it's time to set her wavy hair. Now I'm using a gold cardboard to create a golden crown and earrings for her. There we go. Now I'm going to draw the big fluffy white sleeves of her dress. Then I'm adding a bit of pink and outline for the dress. How do you like this dress? Comment down in the section box below. That's the transformation and makeup for her. If you like this video, please feel free to like and subscribe for more.